camera. Wait, who's Discord? What are you doing?
Нож, старик! Мне выжила нож, кухонь был на реграде! Ёб твою мать! Ёб твою мать! Ты что гонишь?
Nico! Nein!
If you're staying off for a little bit, we should all do it, or at least like get.
Oh my god, I got a knife.
No, you did.
Yes, I did.
No.
Stat track, skeleton knife, scorched. Scorched.
Wait,
how did you get a knife?
he opened that fracture case.
No, you didn't. Just get a knife.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I'm looking at his inventory. What?
Vale. ¿Qué quiere? Aquí llegó tu tiburón. ¡Yo quiero! ¡Ah! ¡Ah! ¡Johnny! 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 Boys, let's fucking get it.
Ball stiff. This is ball face. Stop opening it.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! No way! No way! No way! Desert Eagle print stream!
How much is that?
That's like $90. Yo! Yo! Justin, I'm gonna send you like $40.
Okay, just open it normally, and then if you see a red or knife, just hit escape.
Should I hit close or escape?
Escape. Or they're the same thing.
There's no red.
You got...
God! Oh my 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 god! I'm gonna back out. I thought this was a YouTube video for a second.
I really hope that that's delayed. Oh no. Okay, lost. A lot. Yeah.
What's my idea?
In front of you?
What's my idea?
Another guy though, for reals, for reals.
I think I gotta push tons.
Oh.
You don't knife
Nice,
that.
he's back flat.
Don't
He's back flat.
surprise him. Go, yup.
Gets one and backs away, stays alive, allows the player to come through. Grass Faction on the early adjustment did well, but not well enough. Stewie 3K comes in. Bomb to be planted, and Jacob's flank, it might have lost its potency. Yeah, knife out, gonna be against it. Naf shut down, beautiful work.
With the most, 2750, it's not enough to warrant a buy. For some of these players, they can't even invest into P250s. Stewie doing fantastic work. That second shot onto...
Nothing on mid. I'm good B.
All's clear. On ramp.
Flash face marks?
Watching ramp. Watching, yeah,
Someone flash in front of me, Tetris.
Watching Apex. Yeah, flashing Tetris now.
In the smoke. They're out. Did you flash it?
Yeah, two.
You're punching in one
Dead.
sec.
Two.
Flash
Flash.
now.
Flashing again.
They're like so hurt there, man.
One's on ramp right. Nice. Cover con lurk.
Ramp.
Smoke in front of you.
Maybe this one's now flashed. Can go connector on short.
Traps.
One
ramp.
Can be con.
Out ramp.
Watch out.
2 lamps and 1 pit.
Out taps.
Out taps.
Sandwich 2 guys, I'm fuck. Pushing me jungle.
People dead, bomb down.
Sandwich 1.
3 sandwich I think.
One
There's
stairs,
another
stairs,
showing.
smoke. I'm hiding.
Okay.
How to get the bomb?
I'm hiding.
One guy, no one.
No firebox.
Connector one, you saw him go.
Firebox dead.
Jungle.
Safe. You saw him, Epson. Firebox.
Nice,
Oh, thank God, man.
Nice try.
Ivy 2.
My D-base is better though.
Dead Ivy. One more. Oi, oi, oi.
Sanduíche.
Carregando.
Cuidado, galera.
Botou vai palácio.
Sanduíche e caverna entrando.
Sanduíche. Tô cheirando.
Joga vocês um pouco aí.
Nossa, tomei um que é outro aqui, meu Jesus.
Pega o plant da base que eu vou pegar o duelo aí, cara. Não deu tempo. Tenta resolver aí você que eu vou chegar ele daqui a pouco.
Tem um caixa de fogo.
Tá, vou mirar duelo daqui a pouco, talvez eu mate um cara.
Tá no chão. E tem kit.
Em cima da tripla, morreu. Deve ter outro jungle, né?
Pode ter um jungle, é.
Tem um default.
Jungle, talvez?
Pode ter jungle, eu acho. Tem kit? Tá com kit.
Tá, passa.
Oxi!
Linda!
Oh, falei
I have flash over. You want to explode, guys?
We can maybe walk together.
Okay.
He's jumping car. We can do it now.
Okay, I'm flashing.
What is this flash?
Flash.
Let's just make sense. Bench right side probably. Wait. Default.
Dead.
Beraber yavaş yavaş oynayabiliriz bekle.
Aynen. Short öldü.
Gördün mü?
Yok. Rastgele sıktım. Beni baitliyorum.
Boş. Gel boş.
Boş mu?
Bir tane short'ta.
Short'a smoke attı.
Bence ikisi salak da orada.
Tamam devam edelim o zaman.
Sen direkt kal ben direkt kuruyorum Firebox'ı.
Tamam.
Hatta jungle'a gelip alabilirsin.
Alacağım.
Squad jungle. Bana bakmayacak. 30 mermi attı orospu çocuğu.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Apex Shadow.
Thank you, bro.
Hard place to push for info. No, it puts a lot of pressure on Jacob, who's now tucked in towards B, but it's B. Here they come.
Jacob, though, this time, doesn't have the same success the JKS had, but the bounding in players, he still finds it. I see why one of those doors turned around. It's just for JKS. He's through the smoke. He's in the side. So's Gratisfaction. The bomb's now loose. Cirque's found Grat.
What?
And I don't know how this is happening. This is mad. JKS is the one and only to save this. As the 100 Thieves will be looking...
Is that where someone ran into the Molotov? His massive crosshair covered it. You know what's funny? Ryan Freak sat right next to Summit during that, and while Summit was running for the bomb, Ryan went to fist bump Summit. Summit turns to fist bump Freak and dies in the molly. So in a way, it's all Freakazoid's fault.
It's going to be a little bit crispy around the edges, but he stands. Gratisfaction's there. Tarek holding on for dear life, but now just JKS. Where's that bomb? He's got it.
Picking up the AWP.
He's a madman.
It's a 1v2. This is a JKS special right here. Baiting out the plant. Nobody's close. Nobody was close for this. Precious seconds now being taken off the clock. He's on high alert. He has no idea. Smoke towards Banana. Flash towards Pool.
There's no one else you'd want in this.
Look how safe EG are playing this.
They are not going to make any mistakes with this one. Stan and Breezy being as patient, as calm as they can be. Another fake comes in. He draws them closer. With every cue, they line. Oh my God! The spray! JKS! Because you're cool like that?
Yeah, well, it's about to get real cool over here towards A-Round.
All right, so Grim's going to get a whole lot of attention. Tries to play a nap. Doesn't work out, but there's Elige. You said you wanted to see him. You've seen a lot of him. That's stunning from Elige. That's the big dog you want. T3000 on the map. 4 kills. Easy start. Goodbye, 100 Thieves.
Yeah, and this is the difference maker. With this prediction for this game, it's so hard to know which version of Team Liquid are going to show up. And we said that the other day when we saw them playing against EG, because pound for pound fraggers in this team. Elige, Naf, and Twists are three of the absolute best players within North America, hands down. You throw them in the mix when you're talking about your Breezes, your Ethan.
For this, every single CT coming back in for that plant pot, it almost had him. But Naf has gone down. There's the trade from Twist. He knows Jacob's up there. Nice work from Twist. Keeps control. As now Liaz and Az are going to play it back in through Coffins. Facing together, he can't win the fight, and Elige left on almost nothing. They know the position, they know the spot. They can't get rid of him. Liaz goes down, Elige. Stunning precision from the man.
Yeah, between Twist and Elige, the aim there was on point. The AK-47 ringing true, and oh, they bounced back with one of their own.